Chartered Accountants Day. Today, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India will be celebrating its 73rd anniversary. In a very populated country like India, we have approx 2.5 lakhs chartered accountants. You can surely gauge the prestige of the profession with this fact. We celebrate CA Day on 1st of July every year as our Honorable Institute, ICAI, that is Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, came in force on this day. So I welcome you all for this celebration with Midkari Sir's CAPS Academy. I know, friends, for us, CA in the childhood were just two alphabets, but now it is our dream to add those prefix in our name. And for this, I know each and every student is working hard day and night. CA Abhijit Kelkar sir, we are indeed proud to have you today over here for this auspicious occasion. इनके बारे में जितना भी बोला जाए उतना कम है. One of the most famous personality of India. I was fortunate enough to work under him as a CA article. I still remember those days of my office, sir. I was very lucky enough to have work under your guidance and learned loads of things from you. He has been mentors to many students. I welcome you, sir. Really grateful to have you today.
Thank you so much.
I recognize the presence of all our faculty members and staff of Midkari Sir's CAPS Academy. I would now open the forum for CA Anthem to mark a fantastic start for the session.
य एष सुप्तेषु जाग्रति य एष सुप्तेषु जाग्रति कामं 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 कामपुरुषो पुरुषो निर्मिमाणः निर्मिमाणः तदेव शुक्रं तद्ब्रह्मा तद्ब्रह्मा तदेवामृतमुच्यते तस्मिन् लोकः शतः सर्वे तदूनात्यपि कश्चन एतद्वैता 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 एतद्वैता.
I would now request Virag Midkari sir, Director and Prime Faculty of Midkari Sir's CAPS Academy, for his opening remarks.
Good morning, all of you. Respected Abhijit Kelkar sir, RCM WIRC of ICAI, my Director Faculty Darshan Midkari sir, Director Faculty Vrinda Midkari ma'am, other faculties available in the session, and my dear wonderful students. I wish you all a very happy CA Day. Dear friends, as Vrinda rightly said, earlier this was just two alphabets, but now this is part of your profession, part of your life, and you will be depending upon this profession for the entire career. And to mark this occasion, we have the fantastic and charismatic personality today, none other than CA Abhijit Kelkar sir. दोस्तों, इनके बारे में अवनी तो हमको कुछ इंट्रोडक्शन बताएगी, बट बिफोर दैट आई वुड से कुछ जो बातें शायद पेपर पे नहीं होती है, रिज्यूम बायोडाटा में, प्रोफाइल में नहीं होती है, वो बताना चाहता हूँ. ही इज अ मैन हु हैज क्राफ्टेड मेनी सोल्स इनटू प्रोफेशनल्स. कंटिन्यूस गाइडेंस के साथ बच्चों के साथ रहना, उनको मोटिवेट करना, ये अभिजीत सर का एकदम सुप्त गुण है. नॉट ओनली दैट, ऑन सोशल फ्रंट एज वेल, बच्चों को स्पॉन्सर करके पढ़ाई करवाना, पुअर फैटर्निटी से बच्चों को जो है मोटिवेट करके सामने लाना और उनको कुछ न कुछ लाइफ में कोर्सेस करने के लिए आगे बढ़ाना, समटाइम्स उनको फंडिंग भी करना, ये भी अभिजीत सर का एक खास गुण है. अभिजीत सर ने भी लाइफ में बहुत सारे अप्स एंड डाउन्स देखे हैं. तकरीबन 1 डेकेड से ज्यादा समय से मैं सर को जानता हूं. एंड इंडीड इट्स अ रियल ऑनर एंड प्रिविलेज टू हैव यू सर ऑन दिस वेरी डे. दोस्तों, और जिंदगी कैसे जीना चाहिए, जिंदगी जीने का भी एग्जैक्ट जो फॉर्मूला है वो अभिजीत सर अच्छे से जानते हैं. मे इट बी ट्रैवलिंग, मे इट बी आउटिंग, he is there. May it be any social activity, he is there. Educational activity, he is there. इतनी जबरदस्त एनर्जी लेवल सर कहां से लाते हैं सर, सबसे पहले तो हमें यही जानना है. अच्छा, पर्सनल फ्रंट पे भी ही इज वेरी कीन. सर जो है घर में बहुत बढ़िया एनवायरनमेंट बना के रखते हैं. घर में भी बहुत अच्छे से सर जो है हेल्प करते सभी को. आई हैव सीन सो मेनी वीडियोज ऑफ हिम. इनफैक्ट टू गो लिटिल अनऑफिशियल, सर को मैंने रोटी बनाते समय भी देखा है. वहां से लेके तो गार्डनिंग से लेके तो एवरी सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग ही विल डू. ऑब्वियसली सर का साथ एक बहुत अच्छे और व्यक्ति ने दिया है, मैम केलकर मैम. इन दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन बहुत जबरदस्त है. तो पर्सनल फ्रंट एंड प्रोफेशनल फ्रंट दोनों को एग्जैक्ट बैलेंस करने का जो फॉर्मूला है, शायद वो बहुत कम लोगों को मालूम है दोस्तों. तो उनमें से एक है हमारे केलकर सर. एंड नॉट ओनली दैट, नर्चरिंग हर डॉटर्स. दोनों डॉटर्स बहुत जबरदस्त कलाकार है, दोनों बहुत जोरदार एजुकेशनल फ्रंट पे भी अच्छी लड़ती है. और दोनों डॉटर्स के अपने अपने पेज है अपनी अपनी स्किल्स को पोर्ट्रे करने के लिए. सो बच्चों को, स्टूडेंट्स को, अपने घर को, सबको सर ने जो है एक सही लेवल पे रेज किया है. एंड आई थिंक दैट इज व्हाट इज एप्टली रिक्वायर्ड इन दिस सिनेरियो गाइस. क्योंकि हमने बहुत सारे ऐसे सीए देखे कि जो पेपर पे तो बहुत अच्छे काम कर सकते हैं, लेकिन प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में, बिजनेस लाइफ में दे आर एब्सोल्यूट फेल्यूर्स. सो वी डोंट वांट टू गो ऑन दैट. And that's why I thought this personality is the apt personality for today's function. And definitely I'll not be hurdling between you and Abhijit Kelkar sir to have interaction, my dear friends. So I formally welcome you, Abhijit sir. Thank you so much. दोस्तों, मैं आपको बता दूं, I just had one call and he said yes, I'll be there for students. और ऐसा आज ही नहीं, ऐसा कई बार हुआ है. पिछले कई सालों में जो है सर ने बहुत जबरदस्त एसोसिएशन और बहुत जबरदस्त गाइडेंस हमको दिया है. सर, वी आर रियली थैंकफुल फ्रॉम बॉटम ऑफ आवर हार्ट फॉर योर एसोसिएशन एंड गाइडेंस. सो थैंक यू सो मच सर, एंड ओवर टू Brinda.
Thank you, sir, for your opening remarks. I would now request Avni Bhargava, a student of a CA Foundation batch, to introduce our today's chief guest, Honorable Abhijit Kelkar sir. Over to you, Avni.
Good morning, everyone. I welcome you all to an amazing day for which we all were waiting. I really consider myself fortunate enough to have introduced today's speaker and chief guest, that is none other than CA Abhijit Kelkar sir, Managing Partner of Messrs. Abhijit Kelkar Company and Chartered Accountants. Sir is a BCom LLB and FCA. He is also secured All India 14th All India rank holder in CA Intermediate. He had a diploma in Intermediate Information System Audit (ICI) and is a certified internal ISO auditor. Sir has certificate of courses for International Financial Reporting Standards Indian IAS of ICI, certificate for Forex Treasury Management of ICI, and certificate for Public Finance and Government Accounting of ICI. He was empaneled as independent director with Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs. Abhijit Sir was elected as regional council member to WIRC for the term 2016-19 and presently 2019-21. He is currently a chairman of Management Accounting Committee, vice chairman of Committee on Public and Government Financial Management, and member of several other committees of WIRC of ICI. Sir was a managing committee member of Nagpur branch of WIRC of ICI for the two terms of 2007-10 and 2010-12. Sir was also a chairman of the Nagpur branch of ICI in the year 2012, and during his chairmanship, he was awarded with All India Best Branch and WIRC Best Branch Award. Sir is a visiting faculty to various management and colleges and institutions. He has delivered more than 225 lectures till date at various forums, at seminars and conferences on varied topics of professional and general interest. Sir is a regular writer for various publications and newspapers. Also, Sir has published a book on GDP titled as GDP Decoded. He conferred with Sahakar Mitra Award for contribution in cooperative sector. Sir has contributed to many other associations, like he was past president of Rotary Club of Nagpur Orange City, vice president of Sahakar Bharti Nagpur Mahanagar, director of Deen Dayal Cooperative Credit Society Limited, a member of Techno-Legal Advisory Committee of Maharashtra State Biodiversity Board, a life member of Maharashtra Economic Development Council, a life member of Marathi Arthashastra Parishad, trustee of Vishweshwar Vachanalay, life member of Bharatiya Shikshan Mandal, life member of New English School Association, member of various associations like Vidarbh Industries Association, Nagpur Vidarbh Chamber of Commerce Limited, Vidarbh Tax Practitioner Association, Income Tax Bar Association, GST Bar Association, and many more. Oh my God, what a dynamic personality he is. Thank you, sir, for your presence and being an inspiration to all of us. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Avni, for introducing the very charismatic personality. Thank you. I would now open the forum for our honorable chief guest, CA Abhijit Kelkar sir, to please address our audience.
Thank you. I hope I am audible to everyone. Okay, thank you so much. First of all, thanks to Virag sir for this invitation. Rather, I stand benefited and delighted by his invitation, because it's always a pleasure to talk with students, and specifically when there are CA students. So thank you, Virag sir, for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you, Vrinda madam, for all you are doing for the benefit of the profession, for your classes. And thanks for all of you must be aware that Vrinda madam is a very good MOC, I would say, or she can handle very well any program, and having a very good administrative skills as well. So no doubt she is handling this small program very efficiently. So thank you, Vrinda madam. I also recognize Darshan Mitkari sir, who is sitting there smiling and watching the program. And how can I forget the senior Mitkari sir? I recognize, though in absentia, his attachment, his presence, so far as the Mitkari sir's CAPS Academy is concerned, he is the fatherly figure for everyone. And let me tell you, friends, even when I was pursuing CA Intermediate, I learned a lot of things from Mitkari sir. And to be very specific, let me tell you, whatever communication skills I'm having today, or I'm learning today, the first guru for me who taught me how to speak, how to how to crack a joke or how to add something while you are teaching is Mitkari sir. And I, even though this is, I would say 25 years must have been gone, but I still remember at least 10 jokes of Mitkari sirs he used to crack during the class. So as I say, he is my guru so far as the art of speaking is concerned, apart from his wonderful knowledge about mathematics, statistics, and other subjects. So it's an honor for me to be a part of this program, which is basically for the CA students, and it is being organized by none other than the Mitkari sir's CAPS Academy. So thank you for this wonderful opportunity. I also convey my wishes to everyone here on 73rd CA Day. Friends, 72 years have been gone after the CA Institute has been established. You must be aware that the Chartered Accountant Act is there, which is being passed by the Parliament of India. And under that act, a CA Institute is being established. And this institute is basically responsible for various things. Few of them which are more important to all of us to understand is, number one, they are responsible for education and training for members and students. They are responsible for setting the standards, be there are standards on auditing or accounting. They are responsible for playing the role of even a disciplinary committee as well. So if anybody, are you aware, even there is a code of conduct for CA students right now? And apart from CA members, the institute is also having a code of conduct for CA students. So the code of conduct talks about what should be a behavior of a professional or a student who is pursuing a profession. So anybody who is not following that particular code, disciplinary action is taken against him, and institute is having a role of having that committee as well. So education and training, setting of standards, and disciplinary actions are the three basic role CA Institute is performing from last 72 years, and this is the 73rd year. And I wish this legacy of chartered accountancy, whether it is an institute or members or those who wish to become chartered accountant, the students like you will be continue eternally and will benefit from this wonderful profession for sure. So far as accounts are concerned, let me tell you, friends, if you read the Mahabharata, therein the Yudhishthir asks a particular person that at the end of the day, that what is the status of last 3 or 4 days, that how much have been expended, what we have lost, how much we have needed, and so on and so forth. So the accounting is not a new concept. Even from the year of Mahabharata, even before that as well, but accounts were there. As a student, we know that Luca Pacioli is the person who invented the double accounting system, which must have been taught to you by Virak sir and Vrunda madam. But even before that, the accounting was there in India, even in the world, and the accountants are recognized from ages. The chartered accountants, before coming into existence of the Chartered Accountancy Act, there were state auditors or government auditors who later on are recognized as a chartered accountant. And from the year the CA Institute has been established, this particular role of audit and assurance services is being given to chartered accountants only. So I would say chartered accountant is a person who is recognized throughout the world when it comes to audit, when it comes to accounts, even when it comes to taxation or other matter, fiscal matters which are related to our economy. So we are the, I would say, we are the best brain in the country who are extending our services to the nation and to the people. Recently, Vrunda madam said that there are 250,000 chartered accountants in India. Let me correct you, Vrunda madam, a little bit. Now the figure has been gone up to 3 lakhs. So 3 lakhs chartered accountants in India. But friends, 3 lakhs out of how many? 130 crore people who are living in India. Out of 130 crore, only 3 lakh chartered accountant. Can someone calculate the proportion? That is, what is the proportion? Isn't it says that we are the best in entire population, or we are the very important gem of the population? 3 lakhs chartered accountants in a population and 130 crore. 3 lakh chartered accountants in a population of 130 crore itself shows what is the importance of this profession. Even if you further analyze this 3 lakh figure, let me tell you, friend, out of these 3 lakhs, 60,000 CAs are working in Mumbai only. 10,000 in Ahmedabad, 10,000 in Pune, 20,000 in Delhi, again 10,000 in Bangalore, maybe 15,000 in Calcutta. So out of these 3 lakhs, almost 2 lakh chartered accountants are working in big cities only. So entire country is left to remaining 1 lakh chartered accountants. One can see what is the scope of this profession. So as and when you pass this examination, please be sure that you are going to have a good fortune, a good standing in the country. I always used to say, if you want to have a name, fame, wealth, and respect, here is the profession. No other profession, I believe, in this country is having this much of respect, wealth, name, and fame when we talk about a chartered accountant. So a wonderful profession. And being student, I also wish to tell you that though the chartered accountants are basically meant for audit and assurance services, but from last so many years, you can see we have traveled beyond to this, not only audit assurance, but taxation, management, consultancy, IT consultancy, merger and acquisition, and whatnot. You just name it, you will find a CA who is providing consultancy. Do you know there is a CA in Maharashtra, I will not take his name, who is only giving of a consultancy of how to reduce your electricity bill. If anybody goes to him that my, say for example, I am having a factory and my electricity bill is say 1 lakh rupees per month, that person assures you to reduce your bill by at least 40 to 50%. Because he knows what are the regulation, what are the guidelines, what benefit, what subsidies are available that can be availed by a particular industrialist, and he can save his electricity cost by 40 to 50%. So this is an example that what a professional, a chartered accountant can do. And there are so many services available there. We used to generally, as a CA student, someone may be of the opinion that even after qualifying the toughest examination, what will happen to me? Whether the opportunities are there, what kind of package he or she will get. Friends, believe me, CA is the only course where the unemployment rate is 0%. I have not seen a single chartered accountant who is unemployed, who is not having any work. So if you are following this particular course, believe me, your future is secured for sure. So keep doing your hard work. The CA curricular is I know it is very dangerous. It is not that simple to pass the CA examination. I jokingly remember one of my friend who is now a practicing chartered accountant. When he was in foundation, he used to told me, "बस अभिजीत एक बार foundation हो जाए, inter और final तो मैं देख लूंगा." After passing the foundation examination, he again told me after 1 year, "बस अभिजीत एक बार ये intermediate हो जाए, final को तो मैं देख ही लूंगा." And in final he used to told me that यार अभिजीत एक बार ये final हो जाए, फिर देख जिंदगी कैसे सेट हो जाती है. So be it any level, be it foundation, be it intermediate or final, each level is equally difficult, equally challenging. But why it should not be? We are not giving any BCom, MCom, MA in economics or simple university exam. You are giving the toughest examination of the world. Let's talk about India. You are giving the toughest examination in the India, and it has to be difficult, because if it is not difficult, you will not be respected thereafter. So congratulations for joining this wonderful course. As I said, this is very difficult examination. One has to burn his midnight oil to qualify. There is no shortcut to success. Everyone has to work very hard, and I am sure those who are listening to me and those who wants to become a chartered accountant will certainly work hard and qualify this wonderful examination. And as I said earlier, 0% unemployment rate, the future is secured. So once you call, I always used to say, once you are a chartered accountant, you live like a chartered accountant. You known as a chartered accountant till you live and you die as a chartered accountant. Even thereafter also, even your चार पांच पीढ़ियां भी say, my father, my forefather, his father, he was a chartered accountant. So this is the glory of this particular profession. So congratulations for selecting this. So far as our institute, our examination is concerned, since all are students, I must touch to that specific object as well. There are instances wherein the students have expressed their opposition for conducting of the examination. But students, believe me, CA examination is not for a particular city, for a district, or for a state. Even it is not for the country, that is India. The CA examination is conducted worldwide. We are having overseas examination center as well. And at a time, there are lakhs of students are appearing for CA examination. So you can see the magnitude of organization a particular CA, say examination committee or board of studies handling. And it is not having examination for any particular year. One can understand how bad it can be for those who are wishing to become a professional and want to support their family. Considering this, the ICA has decided to conduct the examination with utmost care and with whatever possible precautions that they can take. Last time they have taken the exam in the same way. This exam, which is supposed to be from 5th of July, will be again taken in the same fashion. So I just wanted to tell what is the magnitude of this examination and what efforts the institute is required to put in. But let me give you another news which is very important, even very important for Virak sir and Vinda sir and Darshan sir as well. The institute is very seriously thinking about conducting online examination as well. And it will not be the entire examination, some papers. Now, which papers for which year, when it will be started, will be expressed soon once it is finalized. But institute, looking at this particular pandemic, particular position, looking at the information technology that is now available, is seriously thinking about even having online exams, maybe not for those all paper, but for the some of the paper. So time is going to tell us what kind of online examination we'll be having. But till that time, I request everyone to please have a faith on your institute. Please have a faith on your representative. They are working very hard for all of you to ensure your safety as well as to ensure the better future for those who wants to give the examination. So be ready, and to come back to my original theory, be it online or be it offline, one has to work very hard to get the success. I always say that you must have heard a lot of mythological stories, and I always used to choose 3 characters from these mythological stories which are equally applicable to some kind of student. And the first kind of student is I used to call Gobar Ganesh. You must have heard this particular name. So Gobar Ganesh is a person who do not do anything. He only sits, he eat, he watch Netflix, he go to class, again engage in WhatsApp only, and still he wants to become a chartered accountant. That is not going to happen. So Gobar Ganesh can never be a chartered accountant for sure. Another character is Sheikh Chilli. Now, Sheikh Chilli is a person who is not as much involved into all this Netflix and WhatsApp and sleeping or eating only. He's somewhat concerned, but most of his time goes into daydreaming that one day I will become a chartered accountant and do earn wealth and fame. So Sheikh Chilli, if you are Gobar Ganesh, there is no question. If you are Sheikh Chilli, good. Having dreams is very good, but only visualizing dreams will not make them happen. You have to very hard. And the third one is Raja Bhoj. So Raja Bhoj is a person who know what to do. He do what must be done, and he is a successful person. So as a student, one must understand he want to be a Gobar Ganesh, a Sheikh Chilli, or Raja Bhoj. And let me tell you, friend, CA course is not for the intellectuals. I repeat, CA course is not for intellectuals only. I scored 54% when I was in 10th. Even my Mausi told my family that even Abhijit Kelkar passed the 10th examination, she will distribute the peda. In 10th, I scored only 54%. In 12th, I scored, I don't remember, maybe 58, 59%. Then I completed my BCom. And after that, I joined CA. And in intermediate, I was All India ranker, which means I humbly believe myself as a very average student. As I said, intellectuals are not only, it is not the only criteria to become the chartered accountant. Hard work is the only criteria to become a chartered accountant. Let me tell you, friends, when I was pursuing my intermediate, during the particular preparation leave, I used to eat for 3 minutes only, whether it is lunch or dinner. I used to sleep for 4 hours only, and 18 hours a day I used to study, be it intermediate and final. Not throughout the year, last 2-3 months. And before that, even the regular study was there. The point is, if you work really hard, if you know how to pursue a particular examination, I am sure if person like me, who is a average student, who not wasted as such, but wasted his life doing nothing till the time he graduated, become a chartered accountant. And not only a chartered accountant, even he elected as a branch chairman. Now he is in the regional council, and now he is having everything a successful person can dream of. Even now, see, 20 years down the line, after being qualified, now I can travel anywhere I want. I can go any place I want to go. I do whatever I wish to do, and so on and so forth. The credit goes only to this profession. This profession has set my future. It molded my future. Now, if I compare myself with my peers, I can understand what level, what name, what fame, what respect a particular person can have. And all this goes, all the regards goes to this particular profession. Why I wish to say this? Because you all are the chartered accountancy student. So your systematic approach to our qualification is very important. And the role of your teachers is also equally important. A Chinese proverb says there are no bad students, but bad teachers. So mind my words, Virak sir and Vrunda madam. Students are always good, I believe. It is the teacher who has to mold him according to his talent according to his character. So as a student, Virak sir, Vrunda madam, Darshan madam, they are having a very big responsibility to change the character, change the attitude of this CA student. And happily to say that all the Mitkari family is doing this from decades. As I said, I was student of the Mitkari sir, and now this legacy is being carried on by Virak, by Darshan, by Vrunda. I am sure that they will be justifying their role of molding the students for sure, and I am sure they will continue doing this in future as well. And lastly, I'm not sure how much long I must speak. If I start speaking, I keep on for hours to. Anyway, to
No worries,
conclude,
sir.
to conclude, let me tell you, friends, India is a developing country, and developing country means we are going to be a developed country soon. And if you see which is the best developing country, the list, you will find India is within top 5. And now with a strong leadership at center, because they are in majority, so I will say it is a strong leadership. They can say, they can change the thing the way they want. So having in the first 5 of a developing country with a good government or a strong government at center, and with a demographic advantage. What is the demographic advantage? The ratio of the young people in India, which is more as compared to other countries. So with this demographic advantage, with India is being fast developing country and having a good government at the center, I believe, though this pandemic has taken us a little back for say 4 to 5 years, but I believe in coming 10 years, India will be in the list of developed countries for sure. The point is, if India is going to be a developed country in coming 10 years, who will be benefited the most? You students, who will be qualifying and thereafter either into the service or into the practice, say 6, 7, 8 years down the line. So the point is, when India is going to be the developed country, the students who are listening to me, watching me, will be the real beneficiaries of a developed country. So my compliments and congratulations to everyone again for choosing this particular course. Congratulations that you will be witnessing the developed country that is our India in coming few years. And I wish this particular legacy of wonderful profession holding our standards very high and emerging as a taskmaster will be continue for sure. So thank you so much for this opportunity again, Virak sir, Vrunda madam, and Darshan sir, for inviting me here. I am sure I am able to convey whatever I wish to convey to my students. Though this particular, generally any chief guest used to have some points written on his page which he wished to convey. Whatever I said, I recognize the presence of CA Sagar Mitkari as well, and Mr. Ashish Ghate. I used to call him the Swara Bhaskar of CA fraternity. So all the wonderful people are gathered here. I am so happy and delighted to be part of this. Thank you for this opportunity. Whatever I said was extempore. Whatever came to my mind, I just talk with you, just discuss with you, and I hope I'm able to convey whatever I wish you. So best luck, everyone, all the students. Best luck to you. Work hard and show them that you will be a chartered accountant one day. So thank you so much for opportunity. Wish you all a very happy Chartered Accountants Day. Thank you so much.
Wow, thank you so much, sir. Right.
Thanks a lot, sir, for your enlightening words. It is always an honor to listen to you, sir. It has been many days since I was an audience in your program, but today I felt really happy to hear from you. I recognize the presence of our other faculty, CA Sagar Mitkari, sir, CA Ashish Ghate, sir, CA Gauri Marpakwar, ma'am, and Professor Kunal Dashottar, sir. Thank you for taking out time from your busy schedules and being a part of this program. Thanks a lot. I would now request Virak sir to take over the session.
Dear friends, definitely we have our teachers and our gurus in the priority list to listen, right? And personality like Abhijit Kelkar sir is definitely cherry on the cake. So thank you so very much, Kelkar sir, कि आपने समय दिया, हम बच्चों को guide किया, and so that we can just go ahead in the profession. Along with the chief guest, we have our teachers, and definitely it's a day to mark them, to wish them a very happy CA day. So I request Sagar Mitkari sir to just talk with the students for a few minutes. Sagar sir.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. In fact, Abhijit sir, I mean, I have also been really lucky to have heard Abhijit sir, and it was really, it was really, ऐसा लग रहा था कि अपन भी अभी फिर से एक बार स्टूडेंट बन के फिर से एक बार सीए कर ले करके. I mean, that was the josh which was, put up. And definitely, the way Abhijit sir has really elaborated how the profession is going to be, the future is definitely, friends, is with the commerce profession, that is our CA profession. Or what Abhijit sir has said, I would just, क्योंकि सर ने तो mostly everything he has spelled out, but I would just give you some sort of आप लोगों के सामने कुछ figures रखूंगा कि like they say कि US economy is number 1, China is number 2, and India is number 3 right now. So it is highly likely that US will go down, China will go up, and India will overtake US within next 15 to 20 years. So as Abhijit sir has rightly said, the entire profession, यानी जो ये जो इकोनॉमी जो बढ़ने वाली है, ये सारी इकोनॉमी जो है, ये जैसे सर ने पहले ही बोला था कि 3 लाख डिवाइडेड बाय 130 करोड़, तो ये रेशियो जो है, और द इकोनॉमी ओपनिंग अप, ग्लोबल इकोनॉमी यानी जो ग्लोबलाइजेशन जो है वो ओपनिंग अप, सो यू गेट द अपॉर्चुनिटीज इन द outside of India, in different countries like ASEAN countries, ये सारे countries में भी आपकी opportunities रहेंगी. So the sky is the only limit. Whosoever is really putting the best foot forward, the best hard work forward, so you are going to get the best out of this profession. That I am very sure. एक और चीज मैं अब बहुत अच्छे तरीके से मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि unlike other profession, our institute, that is ICAI, it is very protective of students. So जैसे कि pandemic है और pandemic में भी exam हो रही है, so I am dead sure कि institute has taken all the efforts to to insulate all students from getting any sort of pandemic related issues while they are appearing for their exams. So I'm very sure though the opt out of options are given to students, but मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि देखिए मेरा तो एक सिंपल हिसाब है जो शायद अभिजीत सर और बाकी विराज सर, वृंदा मैम भी बिल्कुल एग्री करेंगे कि भाई अगर आप एक अटेम्प्ट नहीं देते हो तो आप 6 महीना लेट सीए बन रहे हो, और अगर आप 6 महीना लेट सीए बन रहे हो तो आपकी जो वेल्थ है उसमें डायरेक्टली आप मान चलो कि 6 से 10 लाख रुपए की कमी है स्ट्रेट अवे. इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट. तो अभी आप देखो कि 10 लाख का नुकसान करने का, नुकसान भी नहीं मिला, नुकसान बोलूंगा मैं, तो 10 साल का नुकसान करना है कि आपको आपके लाइफ का, तो देख लीजिए. So the attempt is like it has to be a god. Every attempt is the last attempt for you. That is how I would like to put it. And all those who are really pushing forward, my best wishes are always there. Mitkar sir's CAPS Academy is always there 24/7, क्योंकि हम लोग सब रात में जैसे जैसे रात होती है वैसे वैसे तो और हम लोग हाइपर एक्टिव रहते हैं. So we are 24/7 for you, and all whatever things, whatever queries, whatever problems, whatever exam related issues, जो जिसे बोलते हैं ना एंजाइटी वगैरह होता है, we are all there for always there for you, and you can always reach out to us. So ऐसा बोल के I wish all the faculties, Abhijit sir, and all my fellow students a very very happy Chartered Accountants Day. Let us build ourselves as such a professional that we are really contributing to our economy. Like our Prime Minister also in his recent Mann Ki Baat, he has said that he is looking forward to Chartered Accountants to play a major role for developing of India's economy. So we should really strive. यानी जो youngsters है आप जैसे, यानी it is actually up to them. हम लोग तो कर ही रहे हैं, but it is up to you to exponentially grow this. So let us take a vow today. We should be, doing the very best for our profession, and we take our country to the highest possible level. Thank you for hearing me out.
थैंक यू सो मच सागर सर। सागर सर ने जैसे बिल्कुल सही कहा कि वी आर देयर टू हेल्प यू 24/7 एट मिडकरी सर कैप्स एकेडमी। लेकिन दोस्तों जो चीजें हमारे हाथ में नहीं होती वो ऐसे जो हीरे हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं अभिजीत केलकर सर समान वो कर देते हैं। मैं एक छोटा सा इंसिडेंट शेयर करता हूँ क्योंकि बहुत ही एप्ट इंसिडेंट है, मैं आपको बताता हूँ। लास्ट एग्जामिनेशन व्हाट हैड हैपेंड, अ गर्ल शी फिल्ड अ फॉर्म, और फॉर्म फिल करने बाद स्क्रॉलिंग करते समय उसका जो नागपुर था वो नागपुर घूम के नागौर हो गया। नागौर इज इन राजस्थान एंड शी वाज एब्सोल्युटली इनटू ट्रॉमा कि अभी क्या करना, मुश्किल हो गई, गड़बड़ हो गई। एंड शी हैड अ कॉल टू मी कि सर अभी बताओ मैं क्या करूं, नागौर राजस्थान में मेरा सेंटर चले गया है, मेरे को जो पीडीएफ मिला वो नागौर का मिला है। द वेरी फर्स्ट नेम दैट नाउ स्ट्राइक इन माय माइंड वाज अभिजीत सर, कि यार अभी जो है लेंडर ऑफ लास्ट रिसोर्ट जो अपने को हेल्प कर सकता है वो है अभिजीत सर। तो आई फोन हिम अभिजीत सर। अभिजीत सर वाज वेरी कूल, हाँ ठीक है, नागौर है क्या, ऊपर नागपुर करना है, नो प्रॉब्लम। ही टूक एफर्ट्स ऑल थ्रू WIRC एंड सेंट्रल काउंसिल थ्रू आउट। वो बोर्ड ऑफ स्टडीज में जाके वो लड़की का सेंटर उन्होंने नागपुर करके लाया। अच्छा, स्टोरी डजंट एंड हियर। 2 दिन में सर ने अपना कमाल दिखा दिया और सेंटर नागपुर हो गया। 2 दिन में इट सो हैपेंड कि उसी लड़की के नाना जी एक्सपायर हो गए एंड एंटायर फैमिली हैज टू मूव टू राजस्थान, और नागौर के पास का उसका गांव था। एंड शी अगेन फोन मी कि सर आपको वो नागपुर आ चुका है सेंटर, बट आई वांट नागौर अगेन। आई सेड व्हाट गेम यू आर प्लेइंग ऑफ? Then she said, no sir, I had a sad demise in my family. I said, okay fine, again Genie Abhijit sir and I called Abhijit sir and he said, अच्छा फिर से नागौर करना है, okay give me 2 days, and immediately couple of days he shifted center back to Nagaur। आप सोच सकते हैं दोस्तों 5-5 लाख स्टूडेंट्स का डेटा ऐसे को मैनेज करना पड़ता है, और वो डेटा उनके सेंटर्स के सब सेंटर्स रीजन वाइज ये सब मैनेज करना इतना बड़ा सर्कस है। मैं आपको क्या बताऊं, स्टिल वेरी फ्लुएंटली एंड विदाउट एग्जैगरेटिंग सर डिड एब्सोल्युटली पेशेंटली दोनों चेंजेस जो सर ने पेशेंटली करके दिए। तो ऐसे हमारे अभिजीत सर है जो ये बहुत सारी चीजें दोस्तों के लिए, अपने स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जरूर करते हैं। सर रियली यू आर जेम ऑफ पर्सन, थैंक यू सो मच, एंड थैंक यू सागर सर फॉर deliberating for us. Next on the card we have multi-talented personality, as Abhijit sir has already told you, and he is none other than Ashish Ghate sir. Sir, over to you sir. सर हमको अभी आपसे सिर्फ CA का उद्बोधन चाहिए, कंक्लूजन डेफिनेटली वी आर लुकिंग अप फॉर यू।
थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन। सबसे पहले सबको नमस्कार। रिस्पेक्टेड CA अभिजीत सर, रिस्पेक्टेड CA अभिजीत सर, मैं उनको नागपुर की शान कहता हूँ और सारे स्टूडेंट्स का मान कहता हूँ, बिकॉज ही इज ऑलवेज यंग। He has been mentoring so many students, let me tell you, like me. I tell you, he has been seeing me to be a chartered accountant, and I was fortunate to get my victory award from him. So I must thank him on this day of our profession, Chartered Accountants Day. CA P.S. Midkari sir, yes, my first mentor who made me to see this day today, to be a chartered accountant today, and I'm very happy and thankful to him for this day. Yes, my very close friend, my philosopher and guide, CA Virag sir, and Purna ma'am, rest my faculty members. Very happy CA day to everyone. आज मेरे बोलने के लिए जरूरत नहीं है, my subject is economics. Abhijit sir, let me tell you, but I am so happy today. आज मेरे अलावा सबने इकोनॉमी के बारे में बात की, so I was the first happiest person on this day. सब लोग students must have got it, the economy and everything came in. So I was so happy that everybody is talking about economics or economy something as a subject. Yes, I would like to thank everyone who has helped me on this day, and would like to nothing like enlightening to the students, because I am amongst them only. I always learn, and when I see Abhijit sir or Midkari sir, Virag sir, I find myself fortunate to have these people around me and with me all times. Yes, they have been very good helping hand to me. सारी चीजें बता दी गई है, मैं आपको कुछ अलग से नहीं बताऊंगा, बट यस स्टूडेंट्स कुछ चीजें बतानी है तीन चीजें मैं बताना चाहूंगा. पहली चीज, always take charge of your life. Then it can be study, it can be success, it can be failure. When you take charge, you get to know that no one else than you is responsible for you. So every success, failure is all the way is in your hands. If you take charge of your failures, then you can definitely turn it to success. If you take charge of your success, you will never feel that yes, I have succeeded. You will always be motivated to do it more. So first thing, take charge. Second, I feel the source of motivation is always in a belief system. So if you have a belief system strong, definitely you can do everything. Every person who has done something extraordinary, they have a belief in things what they do. So I generally quote this statement. Henry Ford said, very, very nicely he said that. If you think you can, and if you think you cannot, you're absolutely right. So students, I'll suggest you and advise you to please believe in yourself that you can do. And if you think you can do, definitely you can do. And lastly, I'll not take much time, but yes, last one to tell you, never give up. Always have a goal in your life, because goal always makes you focus on that. So when you focus on the goal, every problem is out. But if you focus on the problems, you get reasons for not being with the goal, which you should focus on. So always have these targets, small, long, every target you should have. Achieve those targets in time. When you achieve those targets in time, let me tell you, you'll always feel happy, and that motivates you to go ahead. Let me tell you, always try. Never give up. Because when you never give up, I agree that you may not win always, you may not lose, but you will learn something always. So keep this strength of yours always with you, and be happy always. Definitely, that's what one of the fundas I have always been carrying. Be happy always within and outside. Like Abhijit sir, we have got Midkari sir. You just check it out. These personalities always have got these qualities with them. So I believe in this, that excellence has always been achieved by those who dare to believe that something they have got superior to the circumstances. And I believe this is what in the situations right now I'm feeling so blessed to have these people around me. Thank you so much, everyone, and I wish everyone a happy CA. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, Ashish sir. And आप सब लोगों ने मिडकरी सर को याद किया. Definitely, I'll give you wishes to him. On a very urgent work, he has gone out of town today, and hence he could not join. Otherwise, he would keen to join this session. But nonetheless, I'll definitely convey your regards. Right? We have another chartered accountancy youngest teacher in this group. She is Gauri Mapakwar ma'am, our own student, and she has joined our forum. I welcome you, ma'am, and over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. First of all, a very happy Chartered Accountants Day to all the professional and my young budding future Chartered Accountants as well. CA अभिजीत केलकर सर, आपकी एक चीज मुझे हमेशा बहुत ज्यादा इंस्पायर करती है. I still remember the incident when I become a Chartered Accountant. We had our GMCS, MCS, we say that, our course conducted by Institute. In that, there was a batch of 50 students, all 50 were Chartered Accountants. When the numbers were taken before, out of 50, 30 people, 30 CAs wanted to opt for job. Okay, 20 wanting to opt for practice. और मतलब 20 और just a less number, and कुछ जो बचे होंगे वो for business. When we have got an opportunity to just have a word with Abhijit Kelkar sir, he came to our classroom, he just gave his speech, and the number all of a sudden changed. 45 chartered accountants opting for practice. Such an inspiring person. I have never seen such an inspiring person in my life. This is Abhijit Kelkar sir. I am privileged that I got felicitated by him. I still have that photograph in my room, got framed and everything. So this is how this person is. Let me start with a small, short, funny love story of a chartered accountant. Okay, let's have a look for all young budding chartered accountant as well. Anonymous source, let's have a look. मैं 2 साल का था वो पैदा हुई. मैं 2 साल का था वो पैदा हुई. मैं स्कूल में एडमिशन लिया वो 2 साल की हुई. मैं सेकेंड में गया वो केजी में गई. मैं 7वीं में गया वो 5वीं में गई. मैं 10th में वो 8वीं में. मैं सीए में वो 12वीं में, मैं CA में, वो BA में, मैं CA में, वो MA में, मैं CA में, वो MPhil में, मैं CA में, वो PhD में, मैं CA में, वो प्रोफेसर बन गई। कल उसकी शादी है और मेरा CA का पेपर। The story ends. Just a funny story. If we keep the funny part aside, what conclusion we can make from this story? CAs are diamond. Why I am saying so? 24/7 efforts, hard work, sleepless nights, consistent efforts, loads of sacrifices, answering your relatives, ignoring your friends, reading questions, getting their solution in dreams. This all make one CA, one chartered accountant. Chartered accountant is not just a profession. It is an emotion. It is a pride. With this, I just want all of you guys कि आप जल्दी जल्दी मेरे स्टूडेंट या स्टूडेंट ये फेस से निकलकर मेंबर ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बन जाइए. That would be a proud moment for all of us. So with this, I again want and wish all the best you all the guys to be a chartered accountant, be a financial expert of not just the nation but the whole world. जैसे अभिजीत सर ने बोला है, हमको फर्स्ट कैरेक्टर नहीं बनना है, हमको सेकंड कैरेक्टर भी नहीं, शेखचिली भी नहीं बनना है. क्यों? डे ड्रीमिंग करना इज गुड. डे ड्रीमिंग एक दो लाइंस में को याद आ रही है. विद हिज ड्रीम इट हैज सेड, साथ नहीं रहने से रिश्ते नहीं टूटा करते, वक्त की धुन से लम्हे नहीं छूटा करते. लोग कहते हैं यार मेरा सपना टूट गया, टूटती तो सिर्फ नींद है, सपने नहीं टूटा करते. So this is us. Keep dreaming but not daydreaming and be that third character which Abhijit sir said. All the best, and once again happy Chartered Accountants Day to all the professional and my young budding chartered accountants. Thank you Team Caps, thank you ICR.
Thank you so very much, Gauri ma'am. A little mark from Kunal sir as well. Kunal sir, a brief mark from your side. Unmute yourself, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. What would I say? सब CA है. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि भारत की आबादी में जैसे अंडमान निकोबार के वो सेंटिनलीज आइलैंड के आदिवासी रहते हैं, वैसा मैं एक अकेला सब जो इंग्लिश सिखाता है यहाँ पे.
नहीं डेफिनेटली आप है इसलिए सीए फाउंडेशन की एग्जाम पास होती है सर बच्चों की. इंग्लिश इज देयर इन सीए फाउंडेशन सिलेबस.
Yeah, CS everywhere. Yes. And I am really fortunate that I can say I am the one person जो शायद अभिजीत सर के गोद में खेले होंगे, है ना? Yes. I still remember. हाँ, उतना ही फर्क है, डिफरेंस है. He is almost 10 years elder than me, though he looks younger than me. But yeah, obviously. And all the hard work which you say, जो आप लोग बोल रहे हैं, somehow somewhere I still remember कि जब मेरे father मेरे अंकल घर में आते थे, and from his home, उनके father की जो बहुत beautiful एक फिश हॉबी की दुकान थी जहाँ पे हम बचपन से वो फिश देखने जाते थे, और उनकी मेहनत हमने तो देखी है. And same things runs in the family, that I can acknowledge that hard work, that charm runs in family. Not only his father, but sister, brother, and everyone in the family. तो वहाँ पे बात रहती थी कि कितनी मेहनत अभिजीत सर करते हैं. एंड एक चीज मैं बताना चाहूंगा कि आज आपका सीए का पैटर्न जो भी हो, in those days, जितना as much I remember, अगर आपका एक सब्जेक्ट 1 मार्क से भी रह जाता था, आपको सारे सब्जेक्ट रिपीट करने पड़ते थे. If I am right, please acknowledge that. And that अभी कुछ exemptions हो, कुछ आ गए हैं आपके, but पहले शायद 1 मार्क के लिए एक भी रह गया और तो आपको every subject you had to repeat, and that was more tough. अभी थोड़ा सा dilute करके percentage बढ़ाया है आबादी के हिसाब से, and that tough thing which he had cracked. So he's a big motivation for you all. Yeah. And obviously he is really a big motivation for you all. And I have seen that struggle पूरा तो नहीं कह सकता, but yes, glimpse of that struggle I'd seen, and that happiness of being a CA जो रहता है वो बहुत अलग रहता है. So I will definitely say कि आप लोगों को अगर ये सब जिन लोगों ने अचीव किया इनसे मिलने का मौका मिले स्टूडेंट्स, तो you should talk with these people, not only on virtual forum. अभी तो कोविड है तो virtual forum ही available है, but in person, at least on phone or something, and please ask कि what keeps them going. That is a key of success. What keeps them going? वो क्या चीज थी? आप आशीष सर की बात कीजिए, आप सागर सर की बात कीजिए, विराग सर, दर्शन सर, वृंदा मैम, अभिजीत सर, जितने भी आपके फैटर्निटी के किच मिटके सर तो एपिटोम ऑफ नॉलेज है ही है कि व्हाट कीप्स देम गोइंग. क्योंकि ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं होता है कि उनको भी ग्लूमी डेज नहीं रहे होंगे. दे विल बी डिप्रेस्ड, दे हैड दैट टेंडेंसी कि नहीं छोड़ दो, अब नहीं हो रहा सीए. तो जितनी आप मेंटल स्ट्रेस से या वेरिएंट इमोशन से आप जाते हैं, ये भी गए होंगे. इसके ऊपर रहता है टू कंटिन्यू एंड टू अचीव सक्सेस. और वो एक की है जो आप लोगों ने इनसे पर्सनली सीखनी और समझनी चाहिए. एंड आई कैन गारंटी कि ये लोग आपको उसमें गाइड करेंगे. एंड इफ यू गेट दैट की, डेफिनेटली यू कैन डेफिनेटली बिकम सीए. This is what exactly I can say in motivation, because and I'm really fortunate that though accounts and other things are not my cup of tea, though I also did BCom, but I am very clear to acknowledge that that is not my cup of tea. कि इतना knowledge लोगों के पास है and उन्होंने अपने करियर को बिल्ड किया है from scratch. ये सारी चीजें आप जरूर देखिए और समझिए इन पर्सनालिटी से. दैट इज रियली इम्पोर्टेंट. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
थैंक यू सो मच सर. And sir, you are also a unique person. It is not like accounts नहीं जानता, मतलब it's not like that. Every man is unique. Every human is unique, and they have their own skill set. Definitely, I acknowledge your efforts into profession की आप CA बनाने के लिए फाउंडेशन लेवल पे बच्चों को कितना ये कर रहे, प्रोत्साहन करें. Definitely we recognize that even Kunal sir. ओके, हम सबके बीच में हमारे प्यारे डायरेक्टर सर, सब बच्चों के प्यारे टीचर वही रह गए. तो आई डेफिनेटली मैं जरूर उनको आखिरी में ही मौका दिया, बिकॉज दे हैव नॉट मेनी थिंग्स टू से. एंड सर, योर रिमार्क ऑन सीए डे एंड देन आफ्टर योर वोट ऑफ थैंक्स सर. राइट, ओवर टू.
थैंक यू विराग सर. थैंक यू विराग सर. I would just say one sentence about all CAs, Chartered Accountants. All CAs have their own story for carrying Chartered Accountancy course. अभी आप कोई भी सीए से बात करिएगा, उनको अभी जैसे कुणाल सर ने बोला कि हर एक को कभी ना कभी डिप्रेशन आया होगा या कभी कोई अलग माइंडसेट से गुजरे होंगे, तो उनके हर एक के पास अपनी अपनी स्टोरी रहती है. हर एक ने कभी ना कभी फेलियर्स जरूर देखा हुआ है, इसलिए आज वो इतने सक्सेस के मुकाम पे पहुंचे हुए हैं. बिकॉज जब तक आप फेलियर्स नहीं देखते तब तक आपको सक्सेस की कीमत समझ में नहीं आती. ये तो सक्सेस एकदम सर के ऊपर चढ़ जाता है. तो आप कोई भी सीए कभी भी डाउन टू अर्थ ही देखोगे. आप कोई भी सीए से बात करिए, आप हमेशा हम्बलनेस, डाउन टू अर्थ, ये आप क्वालिटीज हमेशा देखोगे. बिकॉज सीए बनते बनते ही आपको जो कोर्स है और आईसीआई पूरा अच्छे तरीके से हम्बल बना देती है, नो डाउट. सो दैट्स इट, दैट्स ऑल फ्रॉम मी. फॉर्मली मैं भी वोट ऑफ थैंक्स भी दे देता हूँ, बिकॉज लेट अस एंड दिस सेशन. सो सीए अभिजीत केरकर सर, a people's person, a person with thousands of followers on social media, including Twitter. I'm sad to see such a successful person with lots of work and still manages to stay in all his fellow members, with his family, friends, students, and everyone. I must say, you are the perfect example of 24/7 friendliness, joy, and happiness. Sir, with your permission, I just want to say 2 lines for you. वक्त ने कभी कितनों को हंसाया है, उसी ने कभी कितनों को रुलाया है. पैसा और शोहरत तो कई लोग कमाते हैं, मगर आपने तो सर इंसान कमाया है.
वाह वाह.
So thank you. Students, today he taught us a CA is an expert, can be a social worker, as well as a very down to earth person. One should always keep this in mind. Be a chartered accountant for finance and a Google for others. I mean to say, always available to others for help. Today we are privileged to hear you, sir, on this auspicious day. I, Darshan Midkari, on behalf of Midkari CAP team, thank you for your presence on such short notice and your remarkable and motivational words. I also thanks to all our wonderful faculties for your continuous efforts and support for the students towards making them a charter accountant, a professional, and a good citizen. Lastly, I wish all of you a happy CA day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Darshan sir. Vrinda, I'm sorry, I'm taking MOC charge from you क्योंकि मैंने आगे खुद ही कर लिया. And thank you so much.
Always
Vrinda,
do that, sir.
But on the end note, we would love to have this session on a very melodious note. So I request Ashish Ghate sir to kindly end the session on a very fantastic note. Over to Ashish sir.
Thank you so much, sir. It's always difficult to sing in front of you kind of energetic and amazing people. I mean, it makes me subconscious, we can say. But let's end up on a very good song. I feel the words are very wonderful and applicable in our case of chartered accountancy, I believe. So let's have this for all of us, okay? राह पे काटे बिखरे अगर उस पे तो फिर भी चलना ही है शाम छुपाए सूरज मगर रात को एक दिन ढलना ही है रुत ये ढल जाएगी हिम्मत रंग लाएगी सुबह फिर आएगी ये हौसला कैसे झुके ये आरज़ू कैसे रुके मंजिल मुश्किल तो क्या तन्हा ये दिल तो क्या धुंधला ये साहिल तो क्या Thank you so much.
Thank you so very much, sir. It was nice. It was really nice to hear from you. And once again, वैसे दर्शन सर ने formally vote of thanks दे दिए, but still I am really thankful to Abhijit sir. Sir, आपने इतने short notice पे join किया, हम सबको guide किया. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sagar sir, Ashish sir, Gauri ma'am, Kunal sir, Darshan sir, and Vrinda ma'am. Thank you so much, my dear friends that you have joined. Avni, thanks to you for introduction, and everyone, my backend office, Rupesh sir, Deva sir, and everyone. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.